welcome to my channel. Today I will make a short video clip to introduce to you 3 modes to turn the computer off. These are Shutdown, Hibernate and Sleep. From that you could more clearly know about it to choose when we have to use. Shutdown. Yeah, this mode is easy to understand with almost people. You just have to click Shutdown and your Windows system will automatically be turned off. On opening, software will be closed for the next turning on. The power up on most components such as ARM, CPU, VGA, storage drive, for example, is off. This is the second power saving mode after unplugging. Hibernate. This is a power saving mode, primarily using for laptop. Like Shutdown mode, power is off when using Hibernate mode. Windows will save all of your working data from ARM to SSD or HDD, which I call storage drive, before turning off. This data include on opening files, settings from operation system, and on running applications. This will help you completely turn the power off but your working status still remains. But the disadvantages are, the turning on or off time will be faster than Shutdown mode but slower than Sleep mode because of data transferring time from ARM to storage drive before turning off and otherwise for turning on. And then, when you activate this mode, your C drive will be lost a capacity maximum equal to your ARM capacity due to this file. Sleep. This mode is a power saving mode which helps your computer turn the power of system off, exclude ARM, storage drive, and maybe I/O device like USB box. Your working status still remains in ARM, so when you activate it again, everything is still the same as before it sleep. This mode will have faster turning on or off time due to data is already stored in ARM. No transferring time between ARM and storage drive, and it will save the capacity of the drive if you deactivate the Hibernate mode. However, disadvantage of this mode is the power still remains in a few components. If you are using laptop and your laptop is out of battery, your working data will be lost also like Shutdown mode. And all the components run all the time like this, or when the electricity is off in Sleep mode, would lead them to the grave. So I will summarize as you could see. That's easy to understand, right? When you don't need to save anything, just use Shutdown mode. When you are away from the keyboard in short time and will come back soon, use Sleep mode. When you want to go to a vacation then come back to work after a few days, use Hibernate mode. If you have any questions about this mode, comment below and everyone could help you. Like and comment if this video is useful. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell ting 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 to see my next videos. Bye!